support, no? Just Classic Game by Kuya LA. So thank you kay Kuya LA. Binigyan kami ng another chance pa na push makarating sa finals.
Nung game 5 sinabi nila hindi pa tapos, and would you talk about yung sa character ng Bone Squad?
Well, credit to the whole team, no? Talagang walang sumuko, lumaban hanggang dulo kasi whatever it takes, at least manalo-matalo ngayon. At the end of the day, basta binigay namin yung best namin. Yun yung importante. So, ano yung question? Right?
Di ba hindi yung play? LA talaga yung play?
Well, nag-draw si Osim na to create, no? To create and makakuha ng breakdown. Makakuha ng breakdown. Yun, luckily, nakita ko si Kuya yun. Classic, legend, idol. Wala ko masabi. Good, thank you.